Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure caching with CDN in Cloudinary for speed easy tutorial. To get started, log in to your Cloudinary account. In the Cloudinary dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. Select the Performance tab from the options available. Under Performance, find the CDN Settings section. Here, you can choose your preferred CDN service. Cloudinary offers options like Fastly and Akamai. Select the CDN provider that best suits your needs. Next, confirm the CDN region that will optimize performance for your audience. Save your changes to apply the selected CDN settings. After configuring your CDN, proceed to enable caching. Locate the caching options in the performance settings. Set the desired cache expiration time based on your needs. A common setting is 1 week for static assets. For more dynamic content, consider shorter expiration times. Once you've set your caching preferences, save them. Now, you'll want to test your configuration for optimal performance. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or JIT-Metrics. These tools will help you analyze loading times and assess improvements. Monitor your site's performance regularly to ensure optimal caching. If necessary, adjust your cache settings based on analysis results. Ensure your assets are correctly referenced in your website. Update links to point to the CDN URL for a seamless experience. After the setup, use Cloudinary's URL transformations as needed. This will help you customize images and videos efficiently. Periodic reviews of your caching strategy are essential. Make adjustments based on changes in your content or traffic patterns. This ensures continued fast loading and performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.